Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on this video I'm going to show you how you can create a dark color grading for your videos in CapCut. So after you add your clips, just go to the filter option and click on the movies category and select the Dunkirk filter. Set it to around 75, and next go to adjust and use this adjustment. So for the saturation, lower it to around -20. Click on sharpen, increase it to 100, and highlight 50. Click on the temp, increase it to around 15, and then click on hue 10 and add some fade effect to around 15. And lastly, click on the vignette and increase it to 10. And now just click on a check icon, go to the video effects, find the nature category, and then select the luminance. Okay, this one. Adjust the effect. So for the intensity, and rotate 100 but filter 0. Now you are done, and here is the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.